Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be teaching you how to sign up on Upwork website. So the first step is click sign up. You will have to enter your first name, last name, and work email. Then you have to click get started. You have to click your located country, create a password, and hire for a project or work as a freelancer. Yes, I understand and agree to the Upwork terms of service, including the user agreement and privacy policy. So you click it as a tick. Then click next. Then you have to verify your email to proceed. If you didn't get the email, press resend verification email. You'll get an email like this. You have to click the link. It will say thank you for your interest in Upwork. To begin your application to join, tell us about yourself and complete a profile for review. So I'm going to end the video right here. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below. Don't forget to go to the We Are Squid website to find more information about Bitcoin.